following video may contain one or more instances of the following: messy handwriting, unproportional letters, and incorrect grammar. Viewer discretion is advised.
Welcome to my channel. I'm the Young Entrepreneur, and today is a new day, so let's make the most of it. In the interview with Rhamzan, he talked about a method of brainstorming, and that is what I'm going to be doing today. The method is called LES, Love, Excel, Serve. So right here, I'm going to write down everything that I love doing. I love basketball, being an entrepreneur, hanging out with friends, creative arts, and that's a lot of things like baking, film, photography, and so on and so forth. Serial entrepreneurism, which is basically coming up with ideas, starting them, and going on to the next idea. Meeting other entrepreneurs, and learning cool skills. Of these, I'm going to take all the things that I'm better or good at. In my opinion, I excel at basketball, being an entrepreneur, and there is really no way to excel at hanging out with your friends, but I'd rather not turn hanging out with my friends into a business. I have a very creative mind, so I would say that I excel at creative arts. And again, there's no way to excel at meeting new entrepreneurs, but that's something that I love to do and am excited to do. And I am a fast learner when it comes to new skills. Now comes the interesting and more complex part. All these topics have many aspects. The third step is to research those aspects and find a way to serve other people using your knowledge and skills. Now, obviously, I can't come up with an idea for every single one of these topics right now, but I will be doing a series where I come up with ideas for each of my interests.